So let me demonstrate this ochos for you.
Okay. Goes away.
Yeah, she's doing good. I just trained her. Oh, Evgeny, that's good. You didn't collect your foot. Otherwise, it was so good, but you didn't collect your foot. But I like your gradual movements now. Did you feel his before was like a karate guy? No good. Karate, no good. So we're gonna do ochos. Just watch, and I will explain you what I do. So this is my partner. We're connected, right? She doesn't know what I'm gonna do, but she can go forward, back. She can do ochos, but she doesn't know what's now. So therefore, don't go ahead of me. Now I want her to go side. Warm. Now here, as she close, I want her to look there. So I do this. Did you see this?
Okay, yeah.
So that was number one. So try that. Try that first. So don't twist. He has to side, twist. And as I twist her, I close my foot and I change weight. Good. Now I want her to step forward. Quite a big step. So I go down, walk, and watch. And I twist her as I collect my foot. And I want her to go there. I twist her as I collect my, and now I stop her. Now I change weight, and I'm gradually go this, tick. What's her reaction? Lift your knee up. You're like, wow. No, but you can do more pretty than that. Stay. That was good. Let me be a girl. You can do more pretty. So he blocked me. I'm a girl. Wow. Look, you see what I'm doing?
Stepping up.
I'm exaggerating. I'm not like.
Right.
Right? So it's a game. It's like, yeah. So here it's a game. So I go one. So you see I'm touching my leg. So exactly what I do, I lift my knee first. I'm not stepping over. I lift my knee, present, taking my time, stepping. Now I'm here. So what are you going to do with me?
Twist you.
Twist me. Very good. As you collect your foot. Get used to collect your foot.
Okay, got it.
And now you see we have connection. Take me to resolution. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Very good.
Okay.
So you see it's a lot of lead and follow, but if you understand it at very simple moment, it's going to be fun to dance everything else. Come a little bit closer. We're going to do our ochos from the side steps. Okay. So we step side, our girl side, and then we turn them. No, okay. You don't turn yourself. You turn her. You say, look, where is your foot? Why your foot is there?
Oh, you chose to collect, so
it's a collect.
Yeah,
you just collect. Yeah.
Okay.
One more time.
Right.
So in a way, you did good, Evgeny, but he didn't do good. So we do it. Look, in a way, you see how we face each other? I go warm, I go face there. Now we don't face each other. Now, okay, come here. Warm, collect. Warm, collect. Surprise. Take your time. Warm. Relax your weight down. Yeah. To the hip. Take this hip. Yeah. Put your weight. Put your connection to me. Resolution. See, I'm moving on you. No, resist to me. Don't let me go forward. Okay. Yeah. Walk. Oh, that was good. Okay. Try again, ochos, until it's good. And we go and side, turn her, and go side. No, this way.
Oh, one more. Okay. Right. So okay. Side.
Collect.
Then side. Collect. And then surprise.
With that different leg.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Your body position is not right. Do it again. You're doing this. Look, you constantly have to be here.
I'm in forward. Okay.
You like this. That's why it's like doesn't work. And soften your knee. You dance too much on the straight knees. So give me resistance, Tina. So I want Tina to go side. I want her to collect her feet. And as I change my weight, I want her to go forward, and I want her to collect her feet. Side, collect her feet. Now I change my weight. She's waiting. You see, I make you step. I do this. Ooh, Tina, make it pretty. Nice. I cannot put your leg down. Yeah, you put your leg down. Look. Play, but not for too long. Not like till the next year. So go warm, put your leg down, and then from here I can lead you. I cannot lead you when you put. Unless it's your plan. You like such a artist, you're gonna take your leg there forever. Yes, and you see she's here, stay. Put your weight there, you see? Now here I collect her. When I collect my leg, it's much easier message for her to collect her legs. And our resolution, warm. Then we can change weight. We can go walk, walk, back, cross. Yeah, so that's a new move. Yeah, I'll show you next time. Yeah, understand?